Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate spicy mode in Grok. So let's get started. Spicy mode in Grok isn't a real official toggle you can switch on in settings. So if you're looking for a button or feature called that, it simply doesn't exist. What people usually mean by spicy mode is just making Grok respond in a more bold or edgy tone, humorous or sarcastic style, less formal and more conversational. And you control that through prompting, not just a setting. So you can go to Grok and use a strong style prompt. Tell Grok exactly how you want it to behave, such as act bold, witty, and slightly sarcastic. Don't be too formal. Give punchy, entertaining responses. Or you can set personality in one go. You can define a consistent tone at the start, such as from now on, reply in a bold, edgy, slightly savage tone with humor. Or you can also combine with a task. For example, explain crypto trading mistakes in a brutally honest and funny way. Now you can see the response of crypto. It has some brutally honest facts, but is conveying in lighter and funnier tone. And you can use temperature style wording. Even though you don't control actual temperature, you can simulate it. So be creative, unpredictable, and entertaining. Also, you need to know that Grok, like other AI tools, still follows platform safety rules. So it won't go fully unfiltered or offensive. It won't break moderation boundaries. Spicy does not mean unrestricted. Instead of just saying be spicy, you can be specific, such as be sarcastic, confident, and a little savage, like a viral tweet thread. And that is basically a workaround way of how you can activate spicy mode in Grok. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.